we have a very nice problem here. So how do we obtain the value of x in this equation? Solution. So we have x raised to the power 3 plus x squared plus x equals 3. But don't forget that 3 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. When we add these guys together, we're going to obtain 3. So this implies x raised to the power 3. So when 1 comes to the left side, it becomes negative plus x squared. Let's pick the second one. So we have minus 1 plus x. The third one plus 4 minus 1 equals to 0. So nothing has changed. This implies x raised to the power 3 minus 1 plus x squared minus 1 plus x minus 1 equals to 0. This property, x raised to the power 3, can be expressed as, recall that whenever we have a raised to the power 3 minus b raised to the power 3 is the same thing as writing a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So in this case, the value of a is x. So let's just write it here. We have x raised to the power minus 3 minus, this is 1 over 3. 1 is over 3. So a is x and b is simply 1. So when you plug into this expression, we have x minus 1 times the value of a, that's x squared, plus the value of b, which is 1 squared, plus ab, which is x times 1. So we have x. So this value is the same thing as writing x raised to the power 3 minus 1. So we are going to plug it here. So we have x minus 1 times x squared plus 1 plus x plus this guy. This is difference of two squares. So we have x minus 1 times x plus 1 plus x minus 1 equals to 0. So in this case, x minus 1 is common. So we can pull it out. When we pull it out, we are going to obtain x minus 1 into this guy, x squared plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus this is 1 equals to 0. So this implies x minus 1 into bracket. When we add these two guys, all this, we have x squared plus x plus x, that's 2x, plus 1 plus 1, that's 2 plus 1, that's 3, equals to 0. Which implies x minus 1 equals 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. So our value of x equals to 1, or x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. Well, how do we factorize this? It's not factorizable. So when we use the algebraic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2a. So the value of a here is 1 and b is 2 and the constant c equals 3. So when you plug it here, we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of, what is b? That's 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4 times a, that's 4, times 6 times 3 rather, that's minus 12. Everything over 2 times a, that's 2, because a is 1. So this implies equals to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 12, that's minus 8 over 2. Well, you observe that when we simplify further, we are going to have a complex root. So we are going to ignore all these values. So the value of x is equals to 1, which is the solution. Let's confirm what we have done is right. So in this, guys, we are going to substitute 1. 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1 squared plus 1 equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to the right hand side, which is 3. So the value of x is simply 1. So that is it. Thanks for watching.